So what I should be doing is, instead, when she raises her hand and she blurts it out, I should automatically be doing what I call stop, think, and process. I call it the STP model. Stop, think, and process, meaning, do I have to respond to her right away? No. There is no law that says you have to respond to a misbehavior immediately. And I think sometimes we get ourselves caught up in the hallway, in the classroom. We feel that we have to respond, we have to instill a consequence, we have to do something right now, immediately, and we don't. I can still hold her accountable later on. So I do what's called, okay, on my feet, stop, think, process, stop, think, process. Turn my body, address you, and say, go ahead, what's the answer? And you say, oh, she already said it. No, you raised your hand, what's the answer? And she gives me the answer, and I say, fantastic, thanks for, contributing, or whatever it is I want to say, because she never talks, so I want to make sure I pull her up. And then I turn around and I say to Deborah, okay, Deborah, now it's your turn. What is it that you needed to say? And most times, oh, nothing. Okay, good, we're good. Remember, raise your hand. And that's it, and I'm done. I've done my kind of consequence model because I've addressed her. I've given her a teaching component, but I also gave the attention to the person who really needed the attention, and it wasn't Deborah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.